morning students. Today we are going to see exercise 2.4. The first question is find the simple interest on rupees 35,000 at 9% per annum for 2 years. So we have discussed already simple interest. So what is the formula for the simple interest? P n r by 100. P is the principal, n is the number of years, r is the rate of interest. Okay. To find the interest, to find the simple interest, definitely these three values are required. Principal, number of years and the rate of interest. So the values which has been given to us, just substituting over here. So we get like 35,000 into 2 into 9 by 100. So we can cancel this by multiplying or getting the value is rupees 6,300, which is a simple interest for the first question. Okay. Now the second question is Aravind borrowed a sum of rupees 8,000 from Akash at 7% per annum. Find the interest and the amount to be paid at the end of the 2 years. So what the question asks is, he borrowed amount rupees 8,000, okay, and then rate of interest is given as 7%. Find the interest they ask. Find the interest and the amount to be paid at the end of 2 years. So you should find out what is the interest is. So 8,000 and then 2 into 7 by 100. By the help of that we are able to find out what is the simple interest is. Okay, simple interest is rupees 1,120. He asked to find the amount also. This is another formula which we learned from the simple interest. Amount is equals to principal plus interest. Okay, we have only two formulas. Simple interest and the amount. Simple interest is nothing but the PNR by 100. Amount is nothing but the principal plus simple interest. Okay, so what is the simple interest we are getting? We will add with the principal. That is the total amount. Understood? So now we have already here 8,000. This 1,120 just added and our value is rupees 9,120. Okay. Then the third question is like the same question. So you can take it as a homework. Now we will go on with the fourth question. Basha borrowed rupees 8,500 from a bank at a particular rate of simple interest. After 3 years, he has to pay 11,050 to settle his debt. At what rate of interest he borrowed the money? So here the question is to find the rate of interest, R. Okay, we don't know the R, we know N, and he bought the amount is 8,500, that is your principal. Okay, and then when you were settling the amount, it is given that 11,050. So amount is 11,050. Now the question is, what is the rate of interest? Okay, so first whatever the values I have in the simple interest, I can substitute over here. 8,500 is your principal, N is 3, R we don't know, we have to find out. Just keep on like this. And this is your simple interest. Okay, now in this amount is equal to principal plus interest. In this what will happen is, the amount he has given 11,050. Principal he has given 8,500. So from this to this if I subtract, because I am going to find out what is my interest. So 11,050 minus 8,500, you will get 2,550, which is your interest. Now this value we are going to substitute over here. Okay. So when I am substituting here, automatically I can get what is my interest is. Understood? Because here my aim is to find out what is R, rate of interest. So for that I have found a simple interest. So just substitute the value here, 2,550, which is equal to 8,500 into 3 into R by 100, which we have written already. Okay, so from this we can get what is the value of R, 2,550 by 255. Okay, after cancelling of zeros, then this value, because this is both in multiplication, when this side it comes, automatically it will come for division. So 2,550 by 255, which will be cancelled, and we are getting the value as 10. So R is equal to the rate of interest is 10%. It's clear? Because whatever is given, that we have to write one by one. Then what from that, what we have to find out. So you have to just think little bit. You have to see that you have to read the question at least twice or thrice for the better understanding. Okay. Now the next question is the fifth question. In what time will rupees 16,500 amount to be rupees 22,935 at 13% per annum? That means what is the question here? The amount, the principal is 16,500, okay, and then the amount is 22,935. The question asked is at what time? So number of years we are going to find out. N only we should find out. But for the what time of years, the rate of interest is given as 13%. That I have written over here. So our aim is to find out what is N. So how to find out N? First we know amount and then principal. Just substitute it, get the value of interest. Once we got the interest, just we can substitute here. And P we know, N we don't know. So just keep it as N as it is. R is 13, so 13 by 100. Okay. Now by cancelling this and after multiplying this 165 into 13, I am getting 2145 N. Okay, just keep that as it is here. Here you have interest. What's the value? 6435. So 6435 is equals to 2145 Yen. Okay, then you have to find out what is Yen. So this by this will give you the value as Yen is equals to this. That's it.
Thank you.